Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Interactions while shopping. Hello. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Can I see this shirt? Can I see this shirt? Of course. Of course. Do you have a size M? Do you have a size M? Here you go. Here you go. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? The fitting room is over there. The fitting room is over there. Thank you. Thank you. Take your time. Take your time. It's a little too big. It's a little too big. We have a size S. We have a size S. I'll try that. I'll try that. Here you are. Here you are. This one fits. This one fits. That's great. That's great. Does it come in another color? Does it come in another color? We have black and white. We have black and white. Can I see the white one? Can I see the white one? No problem. No problem. Which one is more popular? Which one is more popular? Black is the best seller. Black is the best seller. I'll take the black one. I'll take the black one. Great choice. Great choice. I'm looking for pants, too. I'm looking for pants, too. How about these? How about these? They look nice. They look nice. Can I try them on? Can I try them on? Go right ahead. Go right ahead. The size is perfect. The size is perfect. I'll take both. I'll take both. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'd like to pay. I'd like to pay. Do you have a membership card? Do you have a membership card? Not yet. Not yet. Would you like to sign up? Would you like to sign up? Yes, please. Yes, please. It'll only take a minute. It'll only take a minute. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Yes, please. Here you are. Here you are. Thanks for shopping with us. Thanks for shopping with us. I'll come back. I'll come back. We look forward to seeing you. We look forward to seeing you. You've been very helpful. You've been very helpful. My pleasure. My pleasure. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Bye. Bye. Have a great day. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.